welcome to today's video. Today, we're sitting here unboxing lots of stuff. And right now, we are doing the Walmart Beauty Box. Want to see what's in there? Sit back, take a break with us.
He's trying to kill me, knock me off my stool. One of these days, I'm going to fake it.
You're just going to fall. Fake it. I hope you don't hurt yourself.
Right. Are you ready?
So if you don't know, Walmart Beauty Box is $5. It comes every 3 months, seasonally. So 4 times a year. Mm-hmm. They say... Sorry, my nose.
I liked it.
My nose itches. They say it is free and you pay $5 for shipping is what they claim.
I've never been disappointed.
So, alright, let's see what's in there. Let's
go.
So... Oh, is that the thing they play your commercial for all the time at work?
I've had this.
Did you like it?
I used it all up. I liked it.
Okay. So this is Pantene Rescue Shot.
I don't know where I got the last sample from.
What is it?
It's for your hair.
Oh. So it's a treatment? Is it like
treatment
a
target? It's extreme damage. Helps prevent split ends.
Oh, cool.
You put it in and rinse it out.
Okay.
You put it in and leave it in for a few minutes.
Okay.
I like it. I like the way it smells. Smell it, Amy. She doesn't trust me.
It does smell good.
I don't know why.
You hear all the happy children? There are 3 of them in the other room. They're actually being pretty good.
I can barely hear them, so. Done in one brow, how do you say it?
Pomade.
Dark brown. Sculpts and defines smudge-free dual-sided brush. Well, this looks a little complicated for me, but
no.
I wanted to give it a try.
You just have a spoolie, and then instead of using like a pencil, this is a pomade, and you dip that under the brush in it and run it through your brows.
Oh, okay.
So it's just like a little pot of like stuff. That's cool. It's like full-size product. I've never heard of the brand before, but...
Here, can you get the rest of that? Here, put it on my eyebrows once. See if what color looks good. I forgot how you like to squish my head when you do.
I feel like if I don't hold you still, then you're gonna move.
Is it the right color?
I think so.
I put some pencil in there, but I didn't do a very good job.
Well, I'll do this one and you can see if you can tell the difference.
Can you? I don't have my glasses on.
Yeah, because I think I filled in the end of your brow a little bit.
Well, now you gotta fix me. Otherwise, I'll guess.
Because see how thin this one is right here? And the other one's not?
Back in the day, you know how thin eyebrows were in, and you pluck and pluck and pluck, and now it's like, oh, now you want full eyebrows. Too bad for you, 30-some-year-olds. That's how they separate us.
By the eyebrows?
By the eyebrows. That's how I separate the old women from the young ladies.
Deb at work didn't believe that my eyebrows weren't, I mean, not like I have fake eyebrows, but like my eyebrows weren't fully my eyebrows.
What do you mean?
She didn't believe that I had like product in them.
Today?
No, like before.
Oh, well,
she's like, I don't know, I like it actually.
I like it too.
That was easy.
Cool.
Yeah. I just rubbed it through it a little bit and used the brush to brush it out.
Cool.
And yeah, I think that actually looks good on you.
Nice. Alright, next. Hello. Fluoride whitening toothpaste.
Okay.
That's a nice little size. I
can always use toothpaste. Yeah. Make sure you lick it first. Make sure you lick it first. Amanda's excited. She's going on vacation.
Going to Florida.
She's going to Florida.
I've never been on an airplane before.
Are you nervous?
No.
No?
I'm excited.
Are the kids nervous?
No, they're excited too.
That's awesome.
Alright. America's One. What's the brand? Purely inspired collagen peptides, grass-fed. What is this? Dairy is a food because it's dairy-free. Okay, so you
is
eat
it like
this.
a powder drink? Like
must be. Mix 1 serving with 8 ounces of water or beverage of choice and take once daily. Well, what's it for though?
So it has 18 amino acids, 18 grams of protein, easy to digest, 20 grams of collagen peptides, and collagen types 1 and 3.
So what's it do for you?
Well, collagen helps your skin.
This is an advertisement for the
So, I don't know. We'll have to look that up what
toothpaste.
they claim.
You can rate and review your boxes for a chance to win $100.
Okay.
So that'd be nice. Should do that. Probably won't. Next, purifying black charcoal masks. I have a charcoal face scrub thing. I don't think I like it.
No.
I have a hard time getting it off.
Oh.
It's everywhere. But, I mean, I'll try this.
Mask, but if it's in a mask form, it should be easy to
Maybe,
get
yeah.
off.
Next, Tresemme dry shampoo. I have like 5 bottles of dry shampoo now, little ones.
Do you use it? No.
I know, hardly ever.
Hmm.
See if it smells good. Yep. And a cute little bag. Little Walmart stars all over it.
I can't smell anything.
Smells clean.
Okay.
Like a nice
So, yeah, I
plain
think it's
scent.
funny that you noticed that that's the Walmart logo, because I feel like they were trying to be a little bit...
subtle.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I know where it came from, so.
Right.
It could be flowers. So I like this. I mean, $5.
Right.
I'm not disappointed.
I think the eyebrow thing is interesting. Like, it went on your eyebrows really easy. I think it was a good color for you, too, which they don't personalize colors to you, so you got lucky, I guess.
So, I mean, like, if the mask, say, was $1, you get $1 for some of the stuff. I mean, that's not bad.
No.
And,
And this is a full-size brow product, so...
So, you know, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 samples.
Mm-hmm.
So it's not bad at all.
No.
Totally worth it, I think.
Cool. Do you get Walmart Beauty Box? Did you get the same things this month? Do you think this was a good box? Let us know any of all that down below. And we hope that you have a super good day. And maybe you'll join us. Subscribe before you go. Bye.